Welcome to Chappie's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappie. With me as always is Mookie. We got a great episode. I'm going to show you my chicken wing hack to make extra crispy chicken wings. It actually works. But first up, we're going to make a low-calorie tiki drink. This is just my own concoction. The main ingredient is sugar-free Hawaiian punch. What's more tropical than Hawaiian punch, right, Mookie? My nice tiki mug. I actually got this at Frankie's Tiki Room in fantastic Las Vegas. So just get a little bit of ice in there. Alright, I'm feeling a little spicy today, so we're going to go with some Captain Morgan's black spiced rum. We'll do about 2 ounces. And then I have some homemade orgeat. On my Mai Tai episode, I made it from scratch. It's just a simple syrup with almonds. So I'm just going to do like a teaspoon because we're keeping it low calorie. And then we're going to do a little bit of cherry hearing. So we'll go a ½ ounce of cherry hearing. It's my most favorite cherry liqueur. And then to keep with the low-cal theme, I have it's called Unicorn. It's called Unicorn Dreams, and it's 0 calories. It's called a flavor burst. So we'll go 1 1/2 ounce of a flavor burst called Unicorn Dreams. And then this is my sugar-free Hawaiian punch. We'll do about 6 ounces of that. And then I got a nice garnish. And that, my friends, we need to name the drink, Mookie. We just can't call it a low-calorie tiki drink. Let's call it a low-cal Get Ripped Junior. If you're a baseball fan, you'll get that reference. All right, so coming up next, my chicken wing hack. This is my hack for crispy chicken wings. Now, normally I just deep fry the chicken wings and I have excellent crispy chicken wings. But this is if you want to bake it and go a little bit healthier. I put them on a rack, and then the thing that ensures that they're crispy, and my hack, I use a little bit of baking powder in my rub. So I'm going to do a rub with baking powder. The baking powder is going to absorb the moisture on the skin, and the heat circulation on the rack is going to ensure I have a crispy baked chicken wing. So I'll get started on my rub. So there's my hack, the magic baking powder everywhere. So I'm just going to put a little bit into my rub. I got some garlic salt. Got some garlic salt. This is Hungarian paprika. This is a guajillo pepper. It's a Mexican pepper. And then I have, it's called Cameroon pepper. Of course, I got that from the African market. So that's the Cameroon pepper. And then cayenne pepper, it's got some heat, so put as much in as you want depending on how hot you want it. And then I have some Tony Chachere's, it's like a Cajun seasoning. And it's got a lot of sodium in it. So just watch the sodium on that. All right, we're gonna mix up that. We're gonna mix up that rub, and then just coat the chicken wings. And then I'm just going to put it in the fridge for an hour to just let the flavors incorporate. And that is my hack for crispy chicken wings using baking powder. And we're going to use that for Appies with Chappie by the lake coming up. Aloha. Welcome to Appies with Chappie by the Lake. I have my chicken wing hack here for my appetizer. Now we need a drink. I was going to make a Wray Ting. Now Wray Ting is Wray and Nephew overproof Jamaican rum, and Ting is a popular grapefruit soda in Jamaica. I got the Ting, but I ran out of my Wray and overproof Nephew rum, so I'm just going to use, it's a white rum, so I'm just going to use some Krizan rum and do the Rum and Ting. So yeah, again, it's like a really nice grapefruit soda, and the Wray and Ting is a very popular drink in Jamaica. Now one time a Jamaican guy offered to show me his Ting, but he was talking about something else. Alright, so we'll just do 2 ounces of white rum, preferably Wray and Nephew overproof Jamaican rum, but I got Krizan today, and then this lovely grapefruit soda from Jamaica. And that's a white rum and Ting to go with my chicken wing hack. Thanks for watching Appies with Chappie, by the way. Thanks for watching another edition of Chappie's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. We have a new episode every Friday. This is Chappie saying life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappie's Tiki Bar.